Tung 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 tung. Perhatian, Bobby Chris ngobrol segera dimulai. Siapkan diri kamu untuk menerima informasi edukatif yang asik dari Bobby dan Chris. Cari posisi dan kondisi yang senyaman mungkin untuk mendengarkan episode kali ini. Selamat mendengarkan. Dung 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 dung.
Selamat datang di Bobbypedia Bedtime Story. Segmen khusus, Bobby akan ngobrol lebih banyak sama Sobat Boci sambil belajar bahasa Inggris bareng-bareng. Seperti biasa, segmen ini muncul di setiap minggu pertama ya. Share juga ke teman-teman Sobat Boci yang ingin belajar bahasa Inggris juga ya. Kira-kira di edisi bulan Oktober ini mau bahas soal apa, Bobby?
Bobby mau cerita yang kaitannya sama Indonesia.
Indonesia ya. Cerita rakyat kah? Maksudnya begitu?
Oh bukan Chris. Ceritanya sih dari luar negeri, tapi temanya tentang sesuatu yang Indonesia banget.
Waduh, nyerah sih kalau ngomong soal kayak begini.
Kok nyerah sih? Berusaha dulu dong.
Bukan. Banyak soalnya kalau ngomong bahasa Indonesia.
Ya udah, Bobby kasih tahu aja durasi soalnya. Ini topiknya tentang keberagaman.
Waduh, kapan lalu bahasannya perang, sekarang keberagaman. Memang Bobby tahu artinya keberagaman itu apa?
Ya tau lah, jangan ngejek Bobby ya Chris ya. Bobby kecil-kecil gini tahu banyak hal, belajar terus.
Iya. Aku kan cuma mastiin. Coba cerita deh, apa itu keberagaman?
Keberagaman itu kayak semboyan negara Indonesia, Bhinneka Tunggal Ika. Berbeda-beda tapi tetap satu, bener kan?
Iya, bener kok. Oke deh, langsung aku kasih kesempatan buat Bobby jelasin. Silakan.
Bobby akan membacakan sebuah cerita berjudul We All Fit Together dari storyberries.com. Ceritanya mirip dengan yang ada di semboyan kita. Seperti biasa, linknya ada di deskripsi ya tentang ceritanya beserta terjemahannya. Selamat mendengarkan. We all fit together. Our school welcome sign is looking old and fading. Miss Ryder pointed up at the old wall painting. It's our turn to do something new and bright. The children sat around Miss Ryder in a circle. They all looked up at the welcome picture, now dull and not looking welcoming at all. Let's collect some ideas. Miss Ryder stood up. The children started to think. Let's just do a new welcome sign in bright colors. Ella beamed. Miss Ryder smiled. Nice idea, but I was thinking that we could paint a big picture about all you children. Something a bit more special. A giant heart with all our names in it. Sarah smiled. Why a heart? Why not a giant dragon with all our faces? Ali joined in. All our hands in lots of colors. They've got that, my sister's nursery school. Carlos screamed. A unicorn in rainbow colors. I've seen that too. Mia nodded. Sport, Tiger joined in. We do lots of sport. Let's have an enormous picture with all kinds of sports. Your ideas are all so good. Miss Ryder nodded. We'll have to write them all down to pick the best. The earth with people all over it. Matty was thoughtful. Fair play, no bullying or nasty things. A great big rainbow and we can all write things on it. Nick spoke carefully. But then Eliza joined in. It's a puzzle. How can we all join in and paint a picture? We've all got different ideas. Yes, Arnie agreed. We don't all fit together with our ideas. We've all got ideas, but how can they fit together? Miss Ryder smiled and raised her hand for them all to listen. That's it. We all have different ideas, but we all fit together and want to paint a big picture. Like Eliza says, it's just like a giant puzzle. The next day, Miss Ryder showed the group an idea. Let's paint a giant puzzle in the brightest colors. We all fit together, but we are all a bit different. And that's what they did. But first, they had to wash off the old welcome. That was real hard work. Then, they spread out old papers, got aprons, even made newspaper hats for splashes, and there were plenty. They set to work, getting the big wall ready for action. They were ready to paint the giant jigsaw puzzle. The puzzle was very big with lots of pieces. All the puzzle fitted together, but there was a space all around. For our names, Carlos asked. What a good idea, Carlos! For all our names and for all the children in our school. Miss Ryder was having fun. The paints got mixed, a few got spilled. We want so many colors, Elisa smiled. We are so many different kids, so we all want to be in our puzzle. Red and blue and green, that's not enough for all of us. Miss Ryder agreed, and the children learned to mix as many colors as they were kids at school. They had a long line of old glass jars, a good thick paint brushes, red, blue, green, yellow, orange, pink, purple, brown. They learned new colors too. Indigo, scarlet, apple green, sapphire blue, canary yellow, crimson red, fern green, electric blue, and amber orange. How can there be so many different colors? Jackson asked. Like there are so many different children with different looks, ideas, languages, talents, and personalities, Miss Ryder explained. Ali spilled his crimson paint jar. Look what I've done! Elisa pointed at the blob of red paint on the floor, and splashes of her yellow paint dropped onto the blob. Ali mixed the two colors before he cleaned it up. Wow, that's cool! It's a bright, cool orange. The children looked down. Ali's orange, a cool new color. They all whooped, and Ali's orange was a new puzzle fit. Elisa's pink puff got mixed. Pablo's pizza red got mixed. Arnie's yellow hot mustard got mixed. Mia's ghostly green got mixed. And day by day, the puzzle wall got better. The children wanted as many colors as possible in their new picture. They all mixed and invented new colors. They aren't all bright, but they all fit together, just like us. The children stood back and were very pleased and proud with the new picture. Apple pie green is my very new favorite, Elisa smiled. But it isn't quite finished yet. Miss Ryder told them and put up a ladder. This is for the brave ones. At the top, she sketched, we all fit together in curly letters. Who will start? She held up the red paint pot. We'll all hold the ladder. Who wants to be first? It wasn't so easy. It was high up, but the brave ones each did a letter. It was a bit like a word rainbow with red, yellow, blue, green, and purple. The amazing puzzle picture needed a few days to dry out. All the school pupils stopped to take a look. Cool! Fantastic! Wow, look at that! But then came the day that Miss Ryder and all the other teachers told them. We are all different, but we all fit together. Our big picture is waiting for each of you to write your names all around the edge, neat and nice. Can you all do that? A mighty whooping cheer went through the school. Over the next days, each class were so neat and nice, writing their names. Carlos, Emma, Jake, Ali, Jackson, Fatima, Dennis, Manuela, Pablo, Lucia, Grace. The list was long, each in turn, and oh, so very neat. Miss Ryder told her art group. Wouldn't you just know it? We've got another job to do. The long dark corridor near the sports hall needs a big picture. I knew it. Tiger whooped out mighty loud, his face in the air. We get to the sports painting at last. Kids running, jumping, kicking balls. Miss Ryder shook her head and laughed. Clever idea, Tiger. It fits. It really does. Poppy akan membacakan beberapa kosakata sulit di cerita tadi beserta artinya. Dengarkan baik-baik ya, karena tadi ceritanya gak panjang tadi. Pertama adalah faded, yang merupakan kata sifat, artinya pudar. Lalu dull adalah kata sifat, artinya membosankan. Beam adalah kata kerja bentuk lampau, artinya berseri-seri. Grin juga kata kerja bentuk lampau, artinya menyeringai atau kayak tersenyum kecil gitu ya. Kemudian nodded adalah kata kerja bentuk lampau, artinya mengangguk. Thoughtful adalah kata sifat, artinya bijaksana. Aprons adalah kata benda, berarti celemek. Spilled adalah kata kerja bentuk lampau, artinya tumpah. Whoop juga sama, yaitu kata kerja bentuk lampau, artinya berteriak. Terakhir, face adalah kata benda, yaitu kepalan tangan. Nah, gimana menurut Sobat Poci soal cerita tadi? Tulis pendapat Sobat Poci di kolom komentar ya, biar bisa jadi lebih baik lagi. Jangan lupa pesan dari cerita tadi bahwa perbedaan penampilan, ide, kepribadian, dan lain-lain bisa menyatu dan cocok bersama menjadi hal yang indah. Pastikan kamu lebih baik dari kemarin. Bye-bye.